Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Python. Today we are going to learn handling the exceptions in the file operations. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So properly handle file related exceptions like file not found error or the IO error. What exactly it means? Okay, so here you can see that we have a file path, right? Let's copy this and go to the editor for this. Okay, so let me just comment this and let's add this. Okay, so any non-existing file you are just mentioning, try with open, you're trying to open this file, okay, because the file is not existing, so trying to open it and try to read the contents, okay, because file is not there, then what will happen, it will throw the exception. Okay, so here you can see that this block, the catch, that is file not found error, except file not found error, which is raised when trying to open a file that does not exist at the specified path. If this exception is raised, the message the file not found is printed, right? The block, this one, IO error, this block catches IO error, which is more general exception raised for the various IO related issues such as permissions, errors, or issues with reading the file. Okay, then it will raise. So you can handle this kind of exception handling in the for the file operations, right? So this will get you know about that, the whether the specified path exists or not, or whether there would be a permission issues, right? So this is that one that you can use it for handling the exceptions. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Let's run this code which is missing. Okay, let's go to the top of bottom of it. Let's run. File was not found, because it goes over there because it not there, the file was not found, it print over here, right? Any doubt, any query, let me know in the comment section. Have a great day. Bye.